हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू एसएसटी नॉलेज। आज हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे 28 अगस्त के करंट अफेयर्स। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, विच स्टेट हैज़ साइंड एन MOU विद रिलायंस रिटेल एंड अलाना ग्रुप टू हेल्प मेंबर्स ऑफ वुमेन सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स मार्केट देयर प्रोडक्ट्स? Then the answer is Andhra Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh CM is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy and Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan. Okay. And Andhra Pradesh state government also launched a scheme called Chayuta scheme, in which they will dole out. Dole out means, this is a phrasal verb. It means to give completely. Okay. So they will dole out rupees 80,750 to each woman belonging to SC, ST, backward classes and minority communities every year. And there is also a scheme called ASRA by Andhra Pradesh government, in which the debt burden of self-help groups amounting to rupees 6,700 crore per annum will be carried by the state government. Okay. Now you should know who is the MD of Reliance Retail. So he is V. Subramaniam. Okay. Andhra Pradesh government also launched a scheme called Restart scheme to support the MSME sector, and a mobile app called CMAPP also launched by Andhra Pradesh. There is a cyber security campaign E-Raksha Bandhan launched by Andhra Pradesh government, and Telangana also launched a cyber security campaign named Cyber Her. Okay. And there is a famous lake, Pulicat Lake, in Andhra Pradesh. National parks of Andhra Pradesh are Papikonda, Lord Venkateshwara National Park, Rajiv Gandhi National Park, and Rameshwaram National Park. Okay. And there is Nagarjun Sagar Sri Slam Tiger Reserve. It is in Andhra Pradesh, and don't get confused it with Sri Slam Dam, which is located in Telangana. Okay, because it was in news because of fire incident. Next question, which IT company has collaborated with National Skill Development Corporation to offer open PTech? Answer is IBM, and chairman of IBM is Ginni Rometty, and CEO is Arvind Krishna. PTech means Pathways to Technology Early College High School. Okay. Open PTech will offer content in English, Portuguese and Spanish. Okay. It is a free digital education platform focused on workplace learning and digital skills. Okay. And training will be in technologies like artificial intelligence, cloud computing and cyber security. And the learners should be in age of 40 to 20 years old. Okay. IBM has another platform named Watson, which is related to artificial intelligence. Okay. And IBM partnered with CBSE for artificial courses provided in 11th and 12th class. Okay. Next question, what is the rank of India in the Digital Quality of Life Index 2020? So there is your answer, 57th rank. And which country is in the first place? That is Denmark. Okay. And then followed by Sweden and Canada. Now let's talk about other index. Global Press Freedom Index. What's the India's rank is 142. Okay. World Energy Transition Index, India got 74th rank. Environmental Performance Index, India got 168th rank. World Competitive Index, India got 43 rank. Digital Quality of Life Index is released by Surfshark. Okay. And out of 85 countries, India got 57th rank. Next question. Which among the following has launched the Swift Insta Personal Loans on WhatsApp? That's your answer. Tata Capital. It is an financial services arm of Tata Group, and the CEO of it is Rajiv Sabharwal. They have also launched a chatbot named Tia on WhatsApp, where the existing customers can easily apply loans and receive sanctions for personal loans. Okay. Next question. National Strategy for Financial Education 2025 was launched by which financial organization? Then your answer is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. And this strategy is based on 5 C's, which are content, capacity, community, communication, and collaboration. Okay. And who is the governor of RBI? He is Mr. Shaktikant Das. Next question. Which company has launched Ferroheart, a first of its kind mobile application to source steel scrap from the traders? Then Ferroheart is launched by Tata Steel. Okay. Next question. As on August 2020, which state has emerged as the leading state in the implementation of Pradhan Mantri Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi Scheme, PM Swanidhi Scheme? Then your answer is Madhya Pradesh. CM is Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Anandiben Patel. In PM Swanidhi Scheme, collateral free loan given to up to 10,000 rupees for street vendors. And Madhya Pradesh government also launched the same scheme for street vendors, which is Mukhyamantri Shahri Path Vyavsay Uthan Yojana. Okay. And there are some national parks of Madhya Pradesh, which are Panna, Panch, Madhavgarh, Satpura. Okay. Next question. Which IT company has developed an artificial intelligence enabled UaaS or upskilling as a service platform? Then your answer is Tech Mahindra. It is a subsidiary of Mahindra Group, and they have also launched a corona screening device called mHealthy. Okay. Next question. Which life insurance company has partnered with Element AI for artificial transformation journey? Then your answer is Edelweiss Tokyo. Next question. Shantanu Narayan and who will receive the 2020 Leadership Award from USISPF? Shantanu Narayan and Anand Mahindra will receive 2020 Leadership Award from USISPF. फुल फॉर्म इसकी मैं बता दूं आपको, United States India Strategic Partnership Forum, and Shantanu is the CEO of Adobe, and Anand Mahindra is the chairman of Mahindra Group. Okay. Next question. Brian brothers have announced retirement from the sport. Name the sport they played. Then your answer is they played tennis, and the names are Mike Bryan and Bob Bryan. The most successful men's double pair in tennis history. They captured 119 trophies in 26 seasons, which comprises all 4 Grand Slams and all 9 ATP Masters. Okay. Next question. Which union minister has announced 7 new circles of Archaeological Survey of India? Then your answer is Mr. Prahlad Singh Patel. He is the Minister of Tourism and Culture. And these are the list of 7 new circles which were announced by Prahlad Singh Patel. Then Trichy in Tamil Nadu, Raiganj in West Bengal, Rajkot in Gujarat, Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh, Jhansi and Meerut is in Uttar Pradesh, and Hampi in Karnataka. Hampi mini circle is now converted into full-fledged circle. Okay, and these new circles were announced to conserve India's monuments heritages. Next question. Who has been appointed as new MD and CEO of SBI Mutual Fund? Previously I have discussed this, that the SBI Mutual Fund MD and CEO is Ashwini Bhatia, and now he is being replaced by Vinay Tonse. Next question. Which union minister has launched DGNCC training mobile app? Then your answer is Mr. Rajnath Singh. He is a defense minister. and the Director General of National Cadet Corps is Lieutenant General Rajiv Chopra. And this app will support in conducting countryside online training of NCC cadets. ठीक है, National Cadet Corps. Computer pioneer Arnold Spielberg passed away. He was related to which field? Then he was an American electrical engineer. Spielberg and Charles Popster designed GE225 mainframe computer in the late 1950 while working for General Electric. Okay, this machine was used to made the programming language BASIC. Okay, he died at the age of 103 years, and his son Steven Spielberg, he is a filmmaker. He helped him to produce his first full-fledged movie, which was Firelight in 1963. He helped to develop first point of sale computerized cash register. He also designed first electronic library system. Okay, next question. Who has won the International Book Prize 2020? Very important question. It is also called Man Booker International Prize. Then your answer is Marek Lucas Rijneveld. He is 29 years old. He became youngest receiver of this prize for his book The Discomfort of Evening. ठीक है, it was first launched in Dutch in 2018. Then it was translated from Dutch by Michael Hutchison. Okay, and the book is about a girl. She is 10 years old and she is infuriated with her brother Matthews for not being permitted to go for ice skating with him, and she wishes him to die, and her wishes turn true and he dies. And the International Book Prize was firstly launched in June 2004, and it was given for a single book translated into English and published in the UK or Ireland, and the award distributed between author and translator. Okay, this session is end, and अगर आपको पसंद आया then please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching SST Knowledge. Have a good day.